Hello everyone, welcome back to my bar. It's been a while since I got behind the bar, but a lot of you have requested for a nice summer refreshing drink. So I'm going to do that for you today, and I didn't realize that cocktail recipes were so popular. My Jack Daniels recipes, a lot of you have really given me some good comments on that. Truly appreciate it, and good to see some fellow Jack Daniel lovers out there like myself. So let's get started. As summer approaches, I thought I'd do a nice cooling and refreshing drink for you. Now you can make this alcoholic or non-alcoholic, however you want. You hear the water rustling behind me, it gives me the mood for a nice drink. So today I'm going to be making something that has a lot of cooling ingredients that will help you deal with the summer heat, especially in Bangalore. I know it gets really hot these days. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make a cucumber, ginger, mint and lime drink for you. Today I'm using vodka. If you like gin, you can use gin, and I'm also going to be using some club soda, but if you prefer you can use water. It really doesn't matter. To the first step, we have our trusted blender here. We're going to blend some ingredients. I'll take my cucumber, that's about half of a large cucumber in there, and also about 1.5 inch of ginger that's chopped. Both of these really cool your system down in the summer. Also going to throw in some mint in there. Now you notice that the mint have the stems on them. That's very important because the stems have a lot of flavor. You're not going to taste this obviously because we're going to blend this all together. So we'll throw some mint in there as well. And then we're also going to add some honey. And you don't want to make it too sweet, so maybe about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of honey. Just depends on what you like. This is a very versatile recipe, so you do what you want. And some lime juice, because lime obviously is the other cooling agent over here. I'm going to add again about 2 tablespoons of lime. Now this is not going to blend like it is. We're going to add some water to it. Add enough water, maybe about 100 ml, sorry, to blend it up and make a nice mixture. So do that. And let's blend away. Excellent. Now I have a nice mixture over here. Let's get closer. Take a look. Now there's 2 options. Now you can run this through a sieve to get a very fine texture without any graininess. But personally I like the texture in my drink, so I'm going to leave it just as it is. Alright. This is going to make 4 or 5 drinks because hey, it's summer, so why not drink some more, right? So for this drink now, I have a couple of cubes of ice. Put as much ice, as little ice as you want. I'm going to drop 60 ml of vodka in there. If you prefer gin, Bacardi, it doesn't matter. All of them work just as well. Now to this, I'm going to add my lovely summer cooler mixture. And I want about that much in there. That will be about 80 to 100 ml of it. And you can see the graininess, and that you're going to get that flavor in your mouth, and that's what tastes really good. That's why I want it this way, not filtered. If you prefer it filtered, go for it. And then the last thing we do is we add some club soda to top it off, because that is quite concentrated. And fill that as much as you want. I think that's about good right there. Get a nice fizz in the drink. And we're going to garnish this with some of the ingredients that are already in there today, which is our little limes. And of course, the cucumber, which is the most cooling ingredient in this, and the wonderfully flavorful mint. And that's it, folks. There you go. You have a wonderful summer cooler, perfect drink. Have it without alcohol, with alcohol, the way you prefer. Hope you enjoyed. Try it and let me know what you think. See you next time.